Hey folks, Max Leblanc with a new tutorial today. We're gonna do Landslide. I'm gonna go through the second verse and the chorus, and then I'm gonna go through the chord progression, the finger on the fretboard, and the picking. The picking technique I'm using, which is not very complicated, you'll see. Else I wouldn't do it. So I'm gonna start with the second verse, like I said. Let's try this. Okay. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the season of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, children get older, and I'm getting older too. So yeah, there's no point in doing more, because all the chords of the songs have already been played. So let's start with chord progression. So let's start with a G. So basically G. So oh, mirror in the sky. D. What is love? E, M, D. Can the child with, and G again. D, E, M, D. So basically it's 4 times G, D, E, M, D. So can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I handle the season of my life? So then after that, there's some kind of a little bridge to the chorus, which is G, D, E, M, A. So, and then the A, which helps. And then you know when you hear the A that you're about to get to the chorus, which is D. Well, D, A, B, M. 'Cause I've G, D, E, M, A. But time makes you bolder, again, B, M. Children get older, and G, D, E, M, D. I'm getting older too. So the way we do a G is, again, the 4 strings on the 3rd fret. A is the first string, 1st fret, 3 and 4, 1st fret, and the 2nd open, so that's an A. The BM is, well, basically 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, and 3 and 4 open, so that's a BM. Like that. You do the G, so again, 3, well, on the 3rd fret, all the chords, all the strings, sorry. Well, you see in French, string is corde, and then chord, right? So that's why I struggle a bit. So there you go. So you see, you do the G, right? Mirror in the sky, what is love? E, M, D. Can the child G, like G, D, E, M, D. Well, and then we're gonna do the bridge again. Well, I've been afraid of, so D, A, B, M, right? So I'll just go through it. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. So it's D, A, B, M, D, E, M, A. So the E, M is basically 4 string on the 1st fret, 3 and 4 on the 3rd fret, and that's your E, M. So if you were to do a E, you just bar the 4th string on the 1st fret, and that's an E. But we're not using an E now. So just yeah, here's a new chord I haven't shown still. So the picking technique. So I'm gonna go, and so what I do is I use first, so high, well, first string, 3 and 4, 2. First string, lower, second, lower, first, lower, mid, lower, first, lower, mid, lower. Took my love, took it down. So basically, that's how it showed. So I hope you like that video. I'm gonna check it out myself and see if I like it. So see you later, folks. Hope that helped, and have fun.